What's up everyone, welcome to another video by CGF. Let's start today's video with a shout out for all the people who subscribe to my channel. In 2 videos we have reached 100 subscribers, so thank you for your love and support. So today we will be unboxing the ASUS C434 Chromebook. I have come across so many ways in which people can pronounce this brand name. I've heard ASUS, ASUS or ASUS. So now just for some fun, I have created a poll with the 3 versions I just told. Let me know how you pronounce it. Moving straight to business now. So ASUS Chromebook is a 2-in-1 laptop which can also be used as a tablet. The C434 can flip 360 degrees into tablet or a tent mode. It comes equipped with an Intel Core M3 8100Y CPU, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of memory. If you are wondering that is not enough memory for you, don't worry, the memory can be expanded with a memory card. In the box till now, we have found our Chromebook, our warranty card, a user guide, and the charger should be right over here. There are many people who wonder what a Chromebook is, or should they choose a Chromebook over a laptop. Both these questions will be covered today in this video. If you're wondering that Chromebook can help you with your professional video editing, programming, or hardcore gaming, the answer is no. But if you think your old laptop lags a lot, the battery dies quickly, it's kind of heavy to carry around, and you have to erase a bunch of stuff every now and then, Chromebook could be a go-to device. A Chromebook is fast and capable of doing normal day-to-day stuff very quickly. It's a kind of a laptop that runs Google OS on it. Unlike normal laptops, the Chromebook runs cloud-based applications and stores data online. And yes, it can be used offline as well. You can buy a Chromebook for as low as $230, which gives you basic 4 GB of RAM, 32 GB of memory. You can go for many different companies like Acer, Lenovo, HP, Dell, ASUS, or the high-end Pixelbooks. According to me, everybody could benefit with this, as it could be a go-to device. So I got myself the ASUS C434, which costed me nearly $525. The price will again vary according to your country. What I have here is the January 2019 model. They also have a newer model, the ASUS C425, which is missing a couple of main features, just like the touchscreen, the brightness was low on it, and the body was made of plastic. The Chromebooks are easy to set up with your Gmail account. I just did a quick setup, so let me show you how this one is. You have your Chrome browser, Gmail, YouTube, Play Store, and some other stuff. Under the Play Store, you can easily go and download Netflix, Prime Videos, Facebook, Instagram, Zoom, Skype, and basically any other application you normally use. You can also use Microsoft Office on this one. So overall, it gives you all the applications you normally want to use on your phone or laptop free of cost. The screen is a 14-inch LCD display, 1080 panel with thin bezels. The screen to body ratio is 87%. The maximum brightness on it is 286 nits. It also comes with a front camera for video calling. It has a backlit, chiclet style keyboard having a great feel to it. Well, I always wanted a tablet which could come with a keyboard. You have some common functions in the top row which helps you with brightness, volume, and even locking your system. The touchpad is smooth and very comfortable. Touchpad is little different from that of a laptop, and if you're coming from a laptop side, you will have to adjust yourself to the right click function, as you will have to tap with 2 fingers. If you feel any difficulty in the beginning adapting to the touchpad, I would recommend using a USB or Bluetooth mouse, as it will make things easy for you. The ports include a USB 3.1 Type A port, a USB Type C port, and a headphone jack on the left side, along with a second USB Type-C port and a micro SD card slot on the right side. The USB Type-C ports on both sides support charging, so you can plug in from either side. The bottom firing speakers on the flip C434 pump out clear sounds that's loud enough to fill a large room. It won't be giving you much bass, but yes, that's how the laptop speakers are nowadays. Here is a music test for you to judge. By folding it 360 degree, it will automatically change to the tablet mode. It's an extra feature which many Chromebooks or laptops have nowadays. Let's talk about the battery. Well, I got around 8 hours 58 minutes out of it. The brightness was at 60% and I was not playing any music or watching anything, but just surfing on the internet. I haven't watched any movie on this till now, but the kind of battery life it has, even while watching a movie or so, one can easily get around 5 to 6 hours out of it. Many people have a lot of problem tackling with all this new tech coming up every day, especially the elderly. But if your parents are using Android phones and are having hard time understanding how to use laptop or computer, the Chromebook would be the best solution for them as the interface is exactly the same. The Android ecosystem is very exciting and I like the fact that these things are there to make our lives easy. Some of the points I would like to add to its features are the Linux mode, download applications from the Chrome browser. This Chromebook also has different variants with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.0 in this one. The weight is approximately 1.45 kgs or you can say 3.19 lbs. Easily connect a removable hard disk to it. You can attach a gaming console to play games. Cast it to the TV with the help of your Google Chromecast. And every file saves on Google Drive when connected to the Wi-Fi automatically. So this is what I have explored till now about this wonderful gadget which could replace laptops easily. If you think like me and feel you and your loved ones would benefit from this, leave a comment below. So that's it for today's video. As always, keep showing your love and support by liking, commenting and subscribing to my YouTube channel if you're a gadget freak like me.